Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw, a short crewmate from Among Us. It's going to be a really short, wide one. It's going to be way more shorter than normal. So it's going to be simple, easy, for beginners. If you are a beginner, you're in the right spot. You never draw, hardly. You're in the right spot. Stay here. You will be able to draw this. I'm going to be using this, a Crayola brand marker, and I'm using regular printing paper that's straight out of the printer. I just dropped the pencil. Throwing that pencil over there. But yeah. I'm going to be using this marker. You don't have to use this marker, by the way. You can use a pencil, pen, anything you like. Paper-wise, I do recommend printing paper because it's just good for practice. I wouldn't frame it or nothing like that. I mean, you could, but it doesn't last as long as it should. The other thing is, you don't have to draw along with me. I would like for you to draw along with me. That'd be great. But if not, you can watch it just come to life. And that's it. That is pretty much it. Let us get started. Curve line here, and that's gonna be the curve line for the crewmate's visor, the thing that he looks out of. Among Us is such a great game, by the way. If you haven't played it, play it. Although if you're watching this now, I'm sure you've played it. Curve line here, curve line here for the sides of the visor, the spaceship visor. Curve along the bottom. This one I'm gonna make it a little bit curved, right? Normally I make it like a pillow shape. This is more like a curved pillow. Really simplistic stuff. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click that bell notification. If you like, Among Us drawing lessons, if you like Pokemon drawing lessons, if you like, what else? Fortnite. I gotta do more Fortnite. Minecraft. I'm doing a bit of Minecraft. Friday Night Funkin'. That's very recent. Classics like Godzilla, like cute Godzilla, all this stuff, dragons, Snoopy, all of that stuff. Hit the subscribe and click the bell notification, because what that's going to do is it's going to show you a thumbnail every day when I post, and it's going to show you that thumbnail. It'll just scroll it, and you're like, oh, okay, I want to draw that. And then sometimes you'll see something like, I don't want to draw that today. So that's what that bell notification is for. Curve over here to the front. Sorry, I'm rambling so much. I'm really chatty. I ended up going to the doctor today, and I got my ears cleaned out, because that's kind of gross, but I did. And now I can hear everything. I can hear the booming of my own voice right now, where I didn't hear that before. It's kind of wild. I can hear like an ant crawl. I can hear everything. Curve line here for the top. You got it? Alright. Straight line down on this side, curve in, curve line here, and line up. Right there, you get it. Again, so the foot in every form, even though this is a very short Among Us character, the foot in every form, it kind of reminds me of, how do I say it? A marshmallow. I said that before. Reminds me of a marshmallow stuck to like a pillow. But anywho, I'm pretty happy because I can hear everything now. Again, not to harp on that, but I can hear everything. It's kind of funny. So look at his proportions. His proportions are way different, right? This is something that I discuss in my ebook. I have a free ebook on how to draw cute, meaning the idea of like what actually makes something cute. It's proportion, right? He's kind of cute, but it's not. His proportions aren't quite like over the top cute, like chibi cute. There are some things about him that are, but I go over that stuff in that ebook, and it's completely free. Go get that right now if you're even mildly interested in drawing cute. I'm going to draw the backpack now. Normally the backpack, I do it halfway between the top and the bottom of this visor, and I kind of, estimate it back here. So I'm going to put a line there. And then I put a line at the bottom here. It's going to be a shorter backpack because the character is just so much shorter. Go over here, down, and to me that looks like a loaf of bread, a much smaller loaf of bread. Alrighty. If you want any cool mixtures as well, let me know. Like I've been doing like Mario and Friday Night Funkin' style, I'm planning on doing a couple other ones like Charlie Brown and Friday Night Funkin' style. So let me know. and I'm going to be doing this stuff. Curve around here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a thick line around the outside line. And the outside, if you were to just draw, you know, like or cut it out, like let's say, like cut it out on a piece of paper, that is the contour. Contour is just the outside. It's a silhouette. I had a whole video of that explaining that once, and somebody complained that it's too easy. But the reason I had a whole video about it is because people just kept asking that question, like, what's a contour? So I thought it would kind of stick in people's minds if there was a full video dedicated to it that they saw. Curve line here, straight up, pulling in. If you like longer form drawings, by the way, I do those in my other channel. I do those, or more, you know, I do them on my, there's another channel I have called Easy Things to Draw, where the stuff is a little more like for adults and stuff like that. I mean, not really adults, like I draw stuff like, you know, Attack on Titan and stuff like that. But it's meant to be like these longer form drawings, you know, that are like an hour long. Right here, I try to keep every video below 8 minutes. That's a really big thing to me. If it does go over, it won't go anywhere past like 12 minutes at most, and that's rare. Usually I try to keep these 8 minutes, just so that you know what you're getting yourself into, and by the 8-minute mark, you'll be able to, like, you know, go, I can draw that, you know? That's kind of the idea. So just to keep it short, because we're all busy, right? Alrighty. I can't emphasize how good these markers are, by the way. They last so long. This marker just lasts so unbelievably long for something that people perceive as like a cheap junk marker, right? I mean, I love Crayola, though. If you want to sponsor me, Crayola, reach out. Reach out. I'm gonna make this a little bit thicker here, just a bit. I know shouldn't do that, but I just want to make it a little bit more, just kind of match the outer edge, because I think they made the outer edge pretty thick. That's pretty much it, by the way. If you enjoyed the video, share it anywhere. Share it on Pinterest, Tumblr, Facebook, Twitter, any of that stuff. There's a share button right below, so if you look down, if you're watching this on YouTube, you look down a little bit, there's going to be all these share options, so you just click. If you're already logged in the other one, it's literally 2 clicks, and you share it. And that'll really help out. So if you want to do one thing that helps the channel out, it is sharing, because it brings back so much good energy when people recommend it. I don't know what that is. Like, people will just show up and it'll be super nice. So I love that. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I was like, all right, I gotta say goodbye now. My name's Enrique. Reach out to me in the comment section, and you know, I'll say hi back. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Okay? See you later, Easies.